Hey everybody, it's Miss Wagoner here. Sorry I can't turn my camera on today, but I hope you're doing well, sending you smiles and hugs. I'm going to help you through the 4.7 CAMI. Stick with me. We're identifying parts, wholes, and percents. This is what you worked on in class today. So let's get started. Quick little review for you at the top. Percent means per 100. So when we're given a percent in a problem, we can make it a fraction out of 100. And honestly, I like to keep the percent symbols there because then it reminds me that I'm working with a percent. And this correlates to whatever our story is talking about, right? Part of the story out of the whole story. So like pizza. If there's a 20-slice pizza, the whole pizza is 20 slices. If there are 7 slices that I eat today, yum, that's part of the pizza. Okay? So let's read through these. I'll give you some helpful hints, and yeah. The first thing I like to do before I even get started is find my percent because it has a percent symbol next to it. So like, I'm not even going to read this problem, but look, it says 70%. Nice. So I'm going to put it right here. 70% is what I'm dealing with. Now let's go back. Let's read the problem. Let's figure out what's going on. It says fill in the fractions and put a question mark for the missing spot. Don't solve it. We're not there yet. We will work on that next time. Tommy is waiting for his film to develop. So far, he has waited 14 minutes, which is 70% of the total developing time. How many minutes will it take overall? How many minutes will it take overall? How many overall? Overall kind of means total. That's like the whole amount of minutes. So it's seeming to me like we don't know how many overall. We do know that 70% of it is done. And so far, for part of the time, he has waited for 14 minutes. So I'm going to think we're talking about minutes here. These are 14 minutes out of we don't know how many minutes. Awesome, let's move on to the next one. Fill in the fractions, put a question mark for the missing spot, don't solve. Not yet. And this is straight math. They don't give us a story to kind of help us. So we are looking at this, and in my head, I think of it as pizza, to be really honest. So I'm going to draw a pizza. If you are watching with me right now, please draw the same pizza. It says 20 is 40% of what number? Okay, let me back up 40% immediately. I'm going to write that down. 40%. Okay, let's go back to my problem. Let's read it through. 20 slices, if I'm thinking of my pizza, 20 slices is 40%. I'm going to kind of like, that's kind of 40% because 50% would be right here. 20 is 40%. That means these are 20 slices. Is 40% of what number of this whole pizza? So it seems to me like 20 is the part and and we don't know the whole. We're not sure how much the whole pizza is. So I'm going to put another red question mark. And now 20 is my part. Hopefully that made sense. If you're watching with me, draw a little sketch like mine. I'm going to erase it. I'm going to see who actually watches the videos. Those who don't watch it were like, oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, because you skipped. All right. Here's another story. I like the stories. Let's do this. Karina and Tanya have completed 75%. Stop reading. Write it down. 75%. That's pretty cool. 5. Okay, let me read it again. Karina and Tanya have completed 75% of their new video game. It takes a total of 60 hours. If we're thinking of the whole thing, not hours. Yeah, hours. Wow. Sorry, that's a long time. If we're thinking of the whole thing, the total is 60 hours. How many hours have they played so far? So far, we don't know. We're trying to figure that out. So this is our part and we're unsure of it, but they need to play 60 hours total. If they've played 75% of those 60, how many hours have they played so far? Nice. Last one. Again, I'm going to draw a pizza. Draw it with me if you're watching with me. I'm going to immediately draw the circle, and then I'm also immediately going to underline and write down my percent. 98% is what we're dealing with here. Okay, let's see. 18 is 98%. 18 is 98%. So 98%, that's like almost all of it. So it's all this stuff. And that's 18. 18 is the same thing as 98%. So 18 is that of how much total. So once again, it sounds like our part is 18. We know there's 18 slices, and that's 98% of our pizza. We don't know how many total slices there are. Again, if you're watching with me, draw something like this. I'm going to erase it. All right, my dears, that's it. If any of this was tricky for you, reflect on that. Tell your teacher next time you see them, hey, the part on the homework that did this was tricky, so that we can spend more time in class talking about it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.